In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the exercises for the lower abdominals and the hip flexors and the transverse abdominis. So first you want to lie down on the ground on something nice and flat, soft if it needs to be for comfort, and you want to lift both your knees up and make sure that your lower back is nice and flat and stays nice and flat on the ground. As soon as it lifts, or if it starts to hurt or you get pain, then that's a fail and you want to stop and either come back down the levels or just stop for that session and come back to it later. So if you want, you can put your fingers underneath your lower back so you can feel that pressure of squishing down, or just keep your hands by your side if you can feel the contact on the ground. So level one is just a nice, slow, gentle touch of the heels, like you're marching up and down. And the next level after that, so level two, is a full extension and a very gentle touch on the floor. Level three is with straight legs. And this really tests your hamstring flexibility as well as your hip flexors and your lower abdominals. Level four is where it starts to get quite difficult to really maintain that lower back flat on the ground, because you're going to start using two legs at the same time. Again, touching nice and close first. And then level five is a full extension whilst maintaining that flat lower back from the bent knee position. And level six is with straight legs. All the way up and down, nice and slow and controlled, with a gentle touch down the bottom. And like I said before, if you have any pain, then that's a stop. You want to stop. You don't want to ever work in pain. If your lower back comes off the floor, then you want to stop as well, because it means that your lower abdominals, your hip flexors, or your transverse abdominis are failing. So you want to stop there and regress down the levels. It's okay to go backwards to make progression forwards.